Hi Facebook community. I'm here at the Beijing Auto Show. My name is Peter Nota, BMW Group. And what better place than here in China to launch this brand new BMW iX3, a full electric sport utility vehicle with a gorgeous design and a wide range of electromobility. China is giving electromobility a big push, and therefore we've just launched this car here today in Beijing. And I'm now handing over to my colleague Choi to really talk a little bit more about the design of this great car. Hi,
Thank you.
Good to
Hi.
see you.
Thank
Hi.
you, Peter. Hello also from my side to the Facebook community. So like already mentioned, we launched for China the new X3 here in China. And of course, Chinese market is always looking for the state-of-the-art technology and state-of-the-art design. Therefore, we gave especially the electrified X3 also a very specific design with it. More technical, more digital. The big focus on the kidney, which is the icon of BMW and always was. So as we don't have air intake there, we wanted a surface which gives a very nice quality also in the detailing, because we know Chinese market is also looking for that. But then we have less air intakes, more closed surface, very bold, and because electrification means zero emission, what means then also less waste of consumption, less waste also in terms of lines. And we have a very digital designed line work, which is also a big contrast to the car which we have on the side. If you go around, what is also giving this car specific touch is the frozen moonstone metallic paint, which gives the car also a more modern feeling. Then, of course, electrification needs a plug-in. So we have here also the air breather, which is important for the air drag, but then linked with the plug-in for the electrification loading. You can also see we have a specifically designed rim on the car, which also gives a new expression, a very graphical expression and strong on electrification and electric mobility. A covered wheel, but a very strong and bold graphic. If you follow me to the rear, I can show you also something in the rear, because every BMW is always very much liked from our customers because of the bold and big exhaust pipes in the rear, which stands also for dynamic and very high performance. Therefore, because this car hasn't got an engine, but it still has to be very dynamic. Maybe not dynamic from the performance side, but dynamic in terms of aerodynamic, because with this car, the range is very important. And therefore, you're going to see on all iCars these two diffusers, also with the signature color of BMW i in blue, because blue is everywhere where innovation happens. And that was from my side. I hope you like the BMW Concept iX3. And so big thanks and goodbye, Facebook community.